Today we will learn how to find the center of a circle when a circle is given to us. Suppose we have been given one circle whose center we do not know. Now to find the center, what we'll do, we will take three non-collinear points, means we will take 3 points on the circle anywhere we want to take. Suppose first point is this, then second I have taken over there, and third is this. Anywhere we can take the points, but we have to take at least 3 non-collinear points. So we have taken 3 non-collinear points. We have named them as A, B and C. Now join them. Join AB. When we join AB, this is a chord, because chord definition is line segment touching both the end of the circle. So AB is a chord. Similarly, BC is also a chord. So we'll join B and C. Now AB and BC are the 2 chords. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of AB and BC. Let us draw. To draw the perpendicular bisector, we will take the more than the half of the length of the BC, like this. Now we'll put over the B point. Then we will join it by dotted line. So this is a perpendicular bisector of the chord BC. This we have joined it by the dotted line. Now we'll draw the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB. Same process we will follow. We'll take more than half of the length of the AB and cut the arc as in the previous chord BC. Now join them. Now this is the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB. Now if we extend these 2 lines, they will meet over there, and this is the center of the circle. So where the point where both the perpendicular bisector meets is called the center of the circle. We'll mark this point as O. If we want to check, we can verify that if I put the compass at the point O and then open it till this, and if I draw the circle, if I want to verify if I draw the circle, I will get the same circle. This verifies that this is the center of the circle.